The Quranly app. Subscription cheaper than Netflix, encouraging Quran reading, modern, engaging and fun. Download it today.
How do you deal with a situation where your son confesses to you that he has homosexual tendencies and furthermore proceeds to, like invite you to his homosexual marriage and also acts upon his homosexual carnal desires?
You really thought this through, isn't it? So the first thing is, look, if any sin is confessed to you as a parent or even as a friend, hear them out, listen to them, see why they've gone towards that. What's the issue? And the thing is, look, that's one of the things that if somebody exposes a certain sin to you, you have to invest yourself in that person. You tell them about the Islamic view. You hopefully say, look, and if you have a good relationship with them, you can advise them, you can assist them. But I would say never cut off relations with them. If they are your son, they've been brought up as a Muslim, and they have certain feelings, they're on a certain journey, they will understand and respect you as well, as a parent, that it's against my mother and my father's religion. You know what I'm saying? So they have to respect you as well. Look, I understand that, you don't want to participate in this and that. The thing is, at the end of the day, they're still your son, they're still your daughter. They still need guidance. If they are doing one sin, that's a sin. You don't leave the fold of Islam just because you're indulging in a sin. If you're lying, you haven't left Islam. They still need their parent, they still need guidance. As long as you're making dua, you're developing a relationship with them. Look, the thing is, this is even with my mum, like sometimes I advise my mum as well. You should have that relationship that you go back and forth with your parents in a loving, kind of way. My mum will advise a family member, she's like, look, they're not listening and this is not good. I was like, look, every person is not designed to receive advice straight away. Some things were said to me and they only made sense 3 years into the future. Or when something happened to me, I said, oh, my friend advised me about this, my teacher advised me on this, I saw a program about this. Okay, like it makes sense now. So understand, do and give advice for the sake of Allah. It actually rests in the hand of Allah. The Prophet ﷺ was not able to convert Abu Talib. He died as a disbeliever. He was unable to convert him. Yeah? So guidance is in the hands of Allah. But that we're talking about disbelief. There's no way out. He dies as a disbeliever, that's it. Yeah? However, when it comes to sins and indulging in sins, that's something that the person needs you. Don't cut them off, because then it's like a person on a glucose drip. They're already lacking energy. Then that's an example. I'm not saying that it's synonymous with that, but when you cut the glucose drip off and say, go off into the wilderness, that person is now, lacking that energy. So it's the same with people as well. You see somebody on the floor, they've committed a sin, rather than picking them up, you're kicking them when they're down. Like I've got a friend, sorry to be blunt, but how do I say this politically? He is somebody that facilitates haram relationships. Let's just put it at that, yeah? He's, if I was to use the word, I have to be cognizant, there are certain people here, but somebody would be like, how were you able to sit with this guy? He facilitates our relationships and this, that. But he said to me, he's like, look, I appreciate your content and your videos. I wouldn't watch videos of other people. And I just sat 45 minutes and just listened to the guy as he spoke. It's not about, he's done something wrong. Must advise him right away. Look, take your time, develop a relationship. So, look, don't cut people off when they've committed sins, and things are not black and white and simple and cut and dry. That's what I would say with that.